Hello guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make Cybertruck. Not any Cybertruck. Yes, we are going to make Cybertruck where we are going to add some modifications or some things to make it look even cooler. I know Cybertruck is cool, but let's go and find some reference images. So here is the first image that we'll be using for reference. Now, second image, what I want to I want Cybertruck to do. So basically rovering on the planets and moons. Also, the third image was a ski box image. Now let's get to the sketchbook and make some ghost lines or warm-up lines so that our sketch lines don't come out wiggly and all bad. Now let's practice some wheels, some ellipses, some circles, whatever you like to call them. Now let's make a small doodle that we can have an understanding of the shape of the Cybertruck, because if you see you can understand, but when you sketch you can feel it. Why did I say that? Yeah, so here is the doodle. Nothing special, just a basic. Now let's get to the like ideation of what we are gonna make of that Cybertruck. So here is the basic layout: wheels, base, wheel arcs on the car that we are making, or a truck in this case, a body that is changed very little bit. Also you can follow me on Instagram, the handle is right in front of you. Also we added a small ski box on that truck. So yeah, now let's get to the final version. Like we are not going to do marker rendering and all that, but just to get a basic idea of what we are gonna make in Blender. So yeah, some vlogs that are high up than normal Cybertruck. So also we will be adding a ski box. I was thinking about adding a normal ski box, but then I thought it will not look cool. And yeah, so also I wanted to add some big wheels, some wheels that look like a tractor tire, so I added some big threads on the tire. Also I wanted a ski box, but not any normal ski box, but that would, because that would look bad, so I added a small Cybertruck on a bigger Cybertruck, if that makes sense. So yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Just a bit of detailing, and here I am actually making nothing but a small 3D structure so that I can understand the Cybertruck. So yeah, I don't know why I made this, because I already have image, but yeah, I thought I'll just make it for video. So now hopping into the Blender, I have a 3D model that is already been made by me in my previous videos. Also those wheels are made by me, so if you want the tutorial on the wheels, drop a comment below and I can make another tutorial. Now in the editing mode, I just separated all the faces, gave them emission, gave them surfaces, gave them different colors. So basically I just categorized every like color into the faces, if that makes sense. So yeah, now just get to the main part. We have like given the different materials, the glasses to the windows and all that. Let's add a base to the truck so that our truck is not floating in the space, like somewhere. This is our base. Actually I thought, what if Cybertruck goes to the space, so I added an astronaut. Yeah, so I guess the idea is cool about thinking about astronauts going to space and like moving on the moons and Mars and Cybertruck. Just think how cool that would look. Just imagine. So I just added a ski box that looks exactly like a small Cybertruck on a big Cybertruck. It looked good, I guess. Comment below what you think about this ski box and all that ties and astronaut thing. If you like the video, please hit that like button, because it took a long time to make this video. Yeah, that would appreciate it. Also I made a big mistake by adding these like these stands for that ski box, because that does not make any sense, because the bed of the truck has actually a cover that is the rolling shutter, so you would be not able to close it. So I changed my mistake. I got my mistake, and then I added this stand that looked cool, I guess, that will be holding the ski box from down, and it will be supporting the weight. So yeah, I thought that looked really cool. So comment your opinions. Okay. Now I just think about how the car would look, all that with the astronaut and all that thing. So here is the real-time render view of the car, of the truck, of the astronaut, and everything. So I attached a small pipe rope thingy to the car so that astronaut don't float away in the space without gravity. Now let's detail the ski box to look a little bit more like Cybertruck from every other view. Now I thought of adding like a small LED strip or a light that Cybertruck has to the ski box. So yeah, now we have to render this image. So now let's render this image and burn our PCs. Now let's go. So here is the final image of the render. I just added some volumetric fog. I just added some lights, like a focusing light and astronaut. I guess it looks cool. If you think it looks cool, give video a like. Also follow me on Instagram. Yeah, you can watch all my other renders. So thanks for hopping in. Thanks for joining. See you later.